On the way come back, you will stop over at the Aborigines village and enjoy the boat cruise, okay, going downstream against the fast water current. This is what is your journey go on for one day, okay? And halfway, more or less after 1.5 hours trekking with a simple trek, who had been to the night jungle walk last night, you will go to the same path this morning at the beginning. Until you reach to the lunch point close to the riverside. Then the guide will stop for a lunch break. Okay? If anyone really feel exhausted, not affordable, yeah, don't force yourself, there's alternative for you. Okay?
Adventure begins. We're in Group B with these people here.
别人叫我 B，
Okay. 那你也是叫我 B 啊？你也是叫我 B 啊？
B 叫 BB。
哦，我是 BB， 你是 B。
Okay.
Okay. Since we do not have the couple, so we
Yeah,
couple.
we are the couples.
我们6个人最少了，应该。
It's not working because the monkey did not see the real tiger. But the problem, the monkey, they like to store everything. If they get something from you, you need to do the butter system. You know butter system? Like trade in.
Do you see all these tigers? Turns out it is to ward off the long-tailed macaca.
Everyone, this is our ranger for the wildlife, and they do the patrol every day. What they do is just they check your permit, okay? And now you just pass to them and show to them your permit, and tell them where you stay here. And for the fire, okay? So if you find a lot of maybe this is bamboo can be fast to grow up every night. That's why long time ago, I think in Vietnam, Japan, they use this bamboo to the punishment. Some the men do the criminal. And when you use this as elephant poop like for the fire, always be careful. If you already make the fire, don't smell the smoke because have the magic mushroom inside. It have another job sometimes, not only for the guy. I can be photographer.
Time for picture. Thank you.
Okay, this is tree. We call the name is Tetramelis nudiflora. Category softwood. It's not good to make the furniture. It can be easy broken. But softwood it can be fast to grow up. You can see like now it's a little bit big size. But this is almost 100 years. But this softwood they can be like only 200 or 300 years. Monkey.
Macaca.
Macaca.
Oh, macaca. Oh, macaca.
Your face no problem. I think you can be like a Rambo. For the ladies problem, no more sexy. But this rattan they can be long around 100 meter. More bigger the size rattan, more expensive the price. This we call it damar hitam siput. This is a resin from this tree. You can see the yellow outside there. Okay, I think everyone know about this. If you go to temple and church, because it can make a good aroma from the smoke. Okay, you try to smell it. Kita panggil kemenyan. Huh? Nice smell.
甘闻烟。
Similar type, same. Have lemon. Can you see that?
No.
have animal inside. See on the top. Something hanging.
Oh, the bed.
Yeah, bed.
Oh shit.
Have the two bed there.
We're going in the dangerous parts. Are you ready, GK? BB?
This.
I am full of sweat. What is it?
I thought it was a snake.
Whoa, that is a lot of ants.
T-Rex.
T-Rex, okay.
Dinosaur. No, not that from the dinosaur, right? Okay, you can see the scratch, a lot of scratch around the body, the tree there. This tree we call it Antiaris toxicaria, and easy we just call it Ipo in Bahasa. Okay, this is poison tree. Native people here, they use this poison for the hunting. But how they process, they just mix 6 more leaf to make this poison not really strong. When they use for the hunting, just for the paralyzed, not for die. Yeah. Still problem, when they shoot this animal, they need to find this animal before 1 hour. Because after 1 hour, poison are removed inside the body, they cannot eat after that. And when they get this before 1 hour, what they do, they just cut this part of the body, have the poison and throw it. Okay, if you find the road like this, actually for the native people, when they go hunting, they use this part to communication to each other. They use something to make the banging, the sound. Okay, you can hear around 1 or 2 kilometers. Okay, this is how they use when they go to hunting. No need to run and call the name. Just use the Morse code from the echo from the tree. If someone there you lost in the forest, just do the same thing. Not allowed for the screaming. If you're screaming, the voice can be split. Not easy for our rescue team to detect you. If you do, just knock this hand. Easy for we to find you. Yeah. So that's why the native people always use this one. When they have the native village on the other side, when they want to communication from here, they need to cross the river. Just bring this. Yeah. This is like a mobile jungle for them. If you want to more than 2 kilometers, use your friend head. Double sound. He's screaming and sound from the tree. Yeah?
Eddie, can I try?
Try. Use your head.
Nah, my head is good. Ooh.
I'm here.
Après, sur un mois ou deux, si tu fais que ça une fois, ça va.
Ouais, mais la connaissance.
Je pense que c'est une fois, puis voilà. Une journée.
Yep. I caught that on camera.
Oh.
Lunchtime. Drop 一个位置。
没有。
Oops, sorry. Butterfly. See? The beach that I want is here.
We did it.
Are you sure? There's more to go though. Going down. Whee! Cheers. We have 1.5 more hours to hike the mini waterfall. I'm gonna keep this GoPro now because it's gonna be a really tough hike, he says.
Maybe about a few years.
Almost here, almost there. 300 more meters to go.
500.
Ah, we crossed 200, didn't go.
Ready? Jump. Hanging, hanging. Like on shipwreck.
We're here. Finally. Okay, let's jump in. It's super cold. It's a lot nicer than I thought it would be. That's nice. 有鱼在里面。No. Made it. What was that? Did we die? Almost? Maybe a little bit.
Slippery one.
The slippery part.
Sorry. Waterfall.
Okay, it's gonna be super cold. Let's go in together.
Okay. Deep in
It was like touch into the water.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Oh my goodness. Much needed. we're here only for half an hour though. 你有什么感想？我们现在已经去到一半的路了，多过一半了啊，其实。我听不到。
Of ourselves, we did
Proud 还没有，我们还有
training and impromptu 的说走就走的旅行。
我们还有20分钟要爬去那个 river， 过后我们就会又在弄死过，and then 就会回家睡觉。什么
我们 short leg problem 很多次。
？short leg problem。那个 guide 讲呢 ，short leg problem 呢是好的，因为在 jungle 里面我们不会挂花季连绵。So now we have reached the rapid shooting place. We gotta keep all our waterproof stuff in the waterproof bag. We're done. We're gonna use the river to go back to the human place. 坐在这边还是怎样？到最后，我要怎样穿过他们？
Aku dekat depan dia.
Depan dia boleh, okay.
Depan dia.
Yeah. 要放那个 seat 下来先，放那个
Oh,
cushion 下来。
right, okay.
对，这样子。Okay. Excited. 这会很 scary 这样。Really?
You ready?
No. I'm not ready, but no choice. 没有 something for me to hold. I'm gonna
我啦，
hold on to you. Yay! 哇，你看我的鞋 is all sand. 耶，不用 hide 了。耶。
I don't know, but it's very exciting to me.
看我们get our legs ready.
Well, I purposely didn't want to wet my shoes, but now I guess there's no choice.
Yep. Scratch it down and no
Oh my goodness!
Can I open my eyes? Best! Woohoo!
You can have room. Thumbnail.
Stop it. 没有了。
What's the point of changing my shirt?
Exactly.
That shirt is even drier than this shirt. I changed my shirt from the black one,
Yeah.
but now this one is all wet. So
Maintenant, ils sont un peu
oh,
Putain, on va être trempés.
thank you, boss. We're now at the Orang Asli Aboriginal people place. There's a teddy bear there. The shooting target. I sat here. Joaquin, can you stand up? Ooh.
That's a big one.
It's from bamboo. This one is a special bamboo that's because it's the miam. This one is they use for communicate. So how they communicate? Just put this and blow. So they use this for communicate.
You can set the time, how fast you can make this fire. If he make more than 2 minutes, you tell me. I can shoot him, use the blowpipe. Let him phobia for tonight. Get from the skin from rattan and maranti. That's why you can see a lot of friction. Can make the wood a bit burning. The technique how they make this fire, you can see the body. They just use a 2 shoulder moving. Don't use all your body. If you use all your body, tomorrow you cannot wake up in the morning. Okay, now second step. They need to transfer to the bamboo inside that leaf there. Okay? And then when they blow, they need to control the blow. If they not control the blow, this fire can be gone. Yeah? That's why they do romantic blow. Our jungle men here, romantic and sexy. Wow. You think like the marijuana. The smoke.
We're back on the boat. Only 10 more minutes back to Kuala Tahan. After a day of hiking, we thought we should go for a jog on an uphill mountain.
We are that
We are
active
that
in
fresh.
sports.
可以了，下山了，终于都。
对啊，下去转就到了。
Food advertisement for Maggie.
On our way back.